Hello everyone, welcome to Data Ratify. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up data validation rules to ensure consistent data entry, including creating drop-down lists, setting criteria for numeric or data values, and using error messages to guide users. Data validation ensures the accuracy and consistency of data entered into a spreadsheet. It prevents errors by restricting the type of data entered into a cell. This is especially useful when creating forms, databases, or large datasets. When managing datasets, especially large ones, consistent and accurate data helps in data analysis, reduces the need for manual cleaning, and increases efficiency. Let's dive right in. Here is a hypothetical data of a simple employee information sheet that tracks employee names, roles, hire dates, and ages. So we're going to be working with this. We'll start by creating a drop-down list for the role column, so users can only select from predefined roles. So select the cells in the row column and go to the Data tab and come down to Data Validation. Ensure you click the Settings tab and choose List in the Allowed drop-down. Okay. In the source, enter in the list of the roles that you have. In this data set, we have Manager and separate them with a comma. We have Developer, we have Designer, we have HR Specialist, we have Marketing Lead, Financial Analyst, Project Manager, Data Scientist, Operations Lead, Business Analyst, Customer Support, and okay, we already have a designer. Okay, Customer Support, and then you click OK. So already we can see that those are the only roles that can be entered that we have in this organization. This prevents users from typing in invalid roles or misspelling them. Next, let us set a rule to ensure that only valid ages are entered in the age column. Again, we select the age column and again, Data tab, Data Validation. This time around, settings under the Allow drop-down, we click Whole Number. Okay. And then under the Date drop-down, we want the age to be between two different numbers. Let us say 18 as the minimum age and the maximum age of 100 in this firm. Okay, so here, if we, for example, we come here and say maybe 678 for an age, it will tell us, no, that's a wrong entry. Okay. So it ensures that the data is realistic and consistent, preventing outliers like, invalid age values. Let's now set a rule for the hire date column to ensure that only dates in the past are entered because, of course, hire dates cannot be in the future. So again, we select the column and then we go to the Data tab where we are and come down to Data Validation. Under Settings, we click under the Allow drop-down, we say Date. Under the Date drop-down, we say less than or equal to. Okay. And under in the date, we say we want it to be equal to today. And open and close your brackets. So this will allow your dates to be any date today and before today, and not any date exceeding today. So this rule ensures data integrity by making sure that users don't accidentally enter dates in the future, which is unrealistic for hiring records in this case. Um, and then again, to further assist users, we can set custom error messages to give guidance when they enter invalid data. Let's come back to the, for example, the age column. In order to do that, let us select again and go to the date tab. Under data validation, we say error alert. Okay, ensure that the show error alert after invalid data has been entered is selected. Under the style drop down, it says stop. We can give this a title, let's say invalid entry. Okay, invalid entry. Okay, and under the error message, let's say age must be between 18 and 100 in this case. Age must be between 18 and 100. And then you say okay. So if we now have new customers and then we're still entering, and we come in here and say maybe even if it's 102. See, it says the age must be between 18 and 100. So it gives you a clearer message, which helps to reduce confusion and also to guide users to enter correct data, thereby improving accuracy. So, as a recap, we learned how to set up data validation rules to ensure consistent data entry. First, we created drop-down lists to help users select predefined values, ensuring consistency. In this case, valid rules. Then we validated our number and date entries, ensuring that only logical numbers, that is, ages between 18 and 100, and accurate dates are entered. We concluded by inserting error messages to guide users to correct mistakes, thereby improving data quality. These data validation rules are essential for data management because they improve data quality by reducing errors, they ensure consistent data across the dataset, and they save time in cleaning up errors during analysis. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for joining me in learning today. If you have questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to share them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Until next time, happy data analyzing.